Real estate investing has long been a popular way for people to build wealth and generate income. However, traditional forms of real estate investing, such as buying and managing rental properties, can be costly and time-consuming, making it difficult for those without a lot of money or experience to get involved. But with the rise of technology, it has become much easier for individuals to invest in real estate online. These online platforms and tools offer a variety of options for people looking to invest in real estate, whether they're just getting started or are seasoned investors. In today's video, we'll take a look at 5 ways you can invest in real estate online. Crowdfunding. If you want to invest in real estate online without having to own a physical property on your own, you may want to consider a real estate crowdfunding platform. As their name suggests, crowdfunding platforms allow investors to pool their money together to invest in real estate. More specifically, the crowdfunding platform will present investors with an opportunity and allow individuals to contribute their own capital to fund the development or purchase of the asset. When the investment is complete or reaches a predetermined level of maturity, individuals who partook in the crowdfunding of the investment will receive a payout relative to their initial investment. REIT. Another way to invest in real estate online is through REITs, or real estate investment trusts. REITs are companies that own and operate income-producing real estate. They are traded on major stock exchanges, and investors can purchase shares in the company just like they would with any other stock. This is a great option for those who want to invest in real estate but don't want to deal with the hassle of managing a property. Online marketplaces. Online marketplaces, such as Roofstock, allow investors to purchase properties directly from other investors. These marketplaces typically have a wide range of properties to choose from, and they provide detailed information about each property, including photos, property values, and rental income. This is a great option for those who want to invest in real estate but don't want to go through the traditional buying process. House flipping. House flipping is for people with significant experience in real estate valuation, marketing, and renovation. House flipping requires capital and the ability to do, or oversee, repairs as needed. This is the proverbial wild side of real estate investing. Just as day trading is different from buy and hold investors, real estate flippers are distinct from buy and rent landlords. Case in point, real estate flippers often look to profitably sell the undervalued properties they buy in less than 6 months. Pure property flippers often don't invest in improving properties. Therefore, the investment must already have the intrinsic value needed to turn a profit without any alterations, or they'll eliminate the property from contention. Virtual reality. Lastly, virtual reality technology is being used to give investors the ability to view properties online in a realistic and immersive way, allowing them to make more informed buying decisions. It's a great way to look at properties from anywhere and can be a huge time saver for those who are not able to visit properties in person. In conclusion, there are many ways to invest in real estate online. Each option has its own advantages and disadvantages, and it's important to do your research and choose the one that's right for you. By investing in real estate online, you can take advantage of opportunities that you may not have been able to access otherwise, and it can be a great way to build wealth over time. If you enjoy the video, don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe to the channel.